All right. All right, okay, let's get this started. Yeah, so let me check NVID. Flutter pub NVID. Flutter pub and NVID. Okay. I think we have all those. So we need to run the build runner, I believe. Let me try this. fvm don't run build runner build. All right. Requires types to be explicitly declared. Static const, so I should say string. Watch, delete conflicting outputs. All right, so I believe I'm not gonna open that because I believe that might leak variables. So I'm going to go. Yeah, let me just check the OpenAI package. Open pub.dev OpenAI. Who's one of these? This one. Okay, so it's start OpenAI. Okay. And so once we have that, we can do open it in main. We can do this. instantiate the package without opening okay. So if I do this, apparently, so we'll import OpenAI. You can also import this. Awesome. Now, I think it's OpenAI API key. Let me just check if I have the appropriate Open API seconds. So let me just go here and just do cat env. Yeah, it's OpenAI API key. Okay, cool. OpenAI API key, perfect. All right, cool. Let me reopen this. Okay, let me do const here. So now that we need a proof of concept. So I want to send a very basic message. Let me just send a hello and see how that goes. If you don't belong to an organization, please ignore this and set it to no. Okay. Settings, setting your own base URL. This is gonna be helpful if you want to proxy the request to the OpenAPI key. If you want to use your own server. Not at the time being, no. So, okay, list the currently available models and provides information about each one. It's just the owner and availability. Huh. So let me check this out. So let's create a future builder. So let's wrap this like so. Do future builder. Or the future, we'll give it a function here. We can copy this, paste that there, delete this. We can make this, or we should make this async. Okay, this is looking weird. Okay, is there like a missing column? This just looks very off. Let me just add a comma here. Okay, this looks better. Let me do something like in builder. Yeah, async snapshot. I mean, what even is this? Like if I do, for example, final f equals to this. What is f? Oh, okay. I mean, okay, so if I just do return here, this is going to be, okay, future list of OpenAI model. So I guess you could just do this and leave all that out. And then it's going to be list of OpenAI model. Okay. Oh, I guess the second model is for, all right, cool. And so what does the builder take? The builder takes an async snapshot. Okay, snapshot. And so I'll say if snapshot dot, what else does it have a loading state? So we'll have data. We'll check for errors first, I guess. So if error is not null, that means we have trouble, right? We'll just do return whatever text. We have an error, and then we'll do snapshot.error. Boom. And and then we'll do if snapshot.data is equals to null, rather. We'll return a center progress. We'll do return center whose child is a progress bar. There we go. We can const this, else we can assume the data is available. So we'll just return center, a center whose child is text, and then we'll just do snapshot.data exclamatory mark .toString. There we go. And we'll limit the width So we'll put that in a sized box. Sized box. Okay, we'll do width, and it'll be, I don't know, like 1,000 or 700, 800 to make it a multiple of 8. Boom. What am I looking at? Let me hot reload that because that doesn't seem to be working. Oh, okay, we have host name not known. Okay. URI equals to HTTPS OpenAI v1 models. But does that not work? HTTPS. Wait, let me do. So first off, let me make the text white. Or let me wrap this in like a. Let me open. What's it called? Like WinUI? WinUI, exactly. Let me open that. And make sure that like I have a basic scaffolding of some sort. These are your items. Yeah, navigation view is like, it's basically your scaffold. So if we just wrap this with navigation view, I think it's like called content, if I'm not mistaken. Will just this work? Or will this bug out? It will work, okay. And then how do I add like, that's the pane, that's the app bar. Let me add a navigation app bar just to make sure this thing is working though. Or the title is it, it's a widget, right? We'll do text. App bar. Ooh, so when you add an app bar, it looks good. But when you comment that out, it actually kind of looks, no, it looks good. I guess it didn't load in. This looks like 10 times better. Oh, and we also have the data. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Let's give it a theme though. How do you apply the theme? I forget. Paint bodybuilder. I forget how you apply the theme. Is it Dime para? Okay, how was it? It was na 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 da 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 da. Ooh, okay, we can worry about that later, I guess. Okay, we have 3.5. Do we have any 4s? I can't tell. Let me list them out. Like, can we do snapshot.data .map for each D? Give me D dot. What are these called? We have the IDs. D.id, right? And then we'll can't we sort? Okay, .toList, and then we can sort them. Sort them were I mean, is that even necessary here? It's not, right? It's yeah. So we'll sort them, and I'm guessing that gives us a list here. Oh, okay, we'll just do dot I believe, so it works. And then we'll have a list of string. And here we'll just wrap this in a column. And then the children can just be for var child next. Or instead of child, you can just say for var like whatever model ID and X. Give me a text of model ID. There we go. That looks much better. So yeah, we do have GPT-4s. Awesome. I don't know what the others are, but we do have GPT-4s. And so now we can, what's it called? We can do, dude, I'd love some sort of like shad CN type component library for Flutter, something that's neutral, that wouldn't look weird on any platform, but I guess this is what we have to work with. We have TTS. I'm guessing that's text to speech. But right now, let me just go back here. So first, keep in mind that this only increases the amount of effort to retrieve the obfuscating the values. If someone tries hard enough, he will eventually find the values. I'm almost positive this will never get sensor amplified. It seems to be abandonware. Holy smokes. Is it though? 10 months ago, damn. As the creator of Envied, research assistant, mainly codes in Java, C++ or Flutter. Started coding yourself. I've been coding most of the time while studying. What an awesome profile. And you know, now that we have this, we need to let's just chat with it, bro. I want to talk to the AI. Okay, environment. Why is it? Oh, it comes on the wrong fucking thing. Okay. Delete fine tune. AI offers fine tuning feature, which you may. Okay. However, if it happens that you want to delete the fine tune model, you can use delete. Ooh, okay. That's super cool. So completions, create completion. Create a predicted completion based on provider model and prompt and other properties asynchronously rather. So completion is Dart is a program, and then okay, this is autocomplete. Is that one of the okay, maybe it's a different time or whatever. Create completion stream. How about ChatGPT? Okay. Creates a predicted completion for a chat message. So, for example, we could say open AI chat completion model. We'll say content. Return any message you are given as JSON. So this is the system message. This is open AI chat completion choice message model. And then here, dot assistant. Is this like hard coded? What is this? Ooh, what are these? I am completely new to these things. Things like, what is tool assistant user system function? Let me ask, ChatGPT, I guess. Tool assistant user system function. Tool assistant user system function. ChatGPT. Explain tool assistant function and function in the chat GPT API. Okay. I mean, the ChatGPT stream was working fine, so my internet should be fine, hopefully. Oh yeah, it's fine. That's nice to see. Okay, I'm just going to like wing it. So go back here. So return any message. So the system message will be sent. This is that will be sent to the request. The user message that will be sent to the request. Oh, okay. So system, I'm guessing, will have a higher, what's it called? What is a temperature? What is max tokens? Like, these are things that I need to learn about. Like, what are the default? What are the defaults here? Okay. So I'm just gonna like hard code something here. So let me just copy this. Just copy all of this. And I'm going to paste that here in our. So yeah, this is going to be a function. I'm sorry, why isn't it formatting? I don't think I have a formatting error. If we comment this out, oh, it's because of. Dude, do I have? Okay. It's because of this. Now it'll format. Okay. So if I comment these, then it's still okay. Now this isn't formatting. If I comment this, will format? Okay. So something wrong here, I'm guessing. Oh, I didn't add the async here. Okay, perfect. We can remove this. So we can just remove that, then do user message here. There we go. For model, okay, so model is the ID of the model to use. Messages is the list of messages to complete from. Note that you need to set each message as a chat AI. Oh, so it's an object, and I think that's already done up there. Place contents will be allowed for models that support it. Okay, so we'll just delete that. Role will be user. And open and model. says argument to a featureless OpenAI model cannot be assigned to. Oh, it said, wait, what? Wait a minute. If I do follow x equals to, what is x? Yeah, then I'll just do return x. Or I'll do return await x. It's the same thing. Oh, my bad. You just call it here. Okay, my bad. So we'll just do return here. Boom. And what else do we have? Okay, this seems to be looking good. Now, I'm going to add GPT-4. Actually, no, I'm going to do GPT-3. GPT 3.5 dash turbo, actually. That's already what we have. And that's okay. I'll just keep it like so. Response format. I want to look into that. Where is response format? I don't see it. I do not see it. I do not see it. Ba-da-ba-bum, ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum-bum. Ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum-bum. Is there like OpenAI SDK docs? I'm sure there's like a, even if it's like a Python, even if it's for the Python thing, I'm sure there's something there that can help me. Na 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 na. Okay. So what was I looking for? I was looking to check, yeah, the response format. Capabilities, assistance, guide, libraries, deprecations. Okay. Yeah, API reference is what I'm looking for. Thank you. Authentication, making requests. So it says, and then it says hi, and then that's it. Let me just look up format. Yeah, response format. There we go. The format to audio in. Oh, so this is for. Okay. So we can just delete this. But it's not. That's not what it's saying though. Here it's saying that it's for create speech. Okay. Create transcription. The format defaults to JSON. Interesting. Let me just comment this out. Seed again creates. Where's seed? Seed. The features in beta. If specified, our system will make a best effort to sample deterministically, such that repeated requests from the same seed and parameters should result the same. Determinism is not guaranteed. You should refer to the system fingerprint response parameter to monitor changes in the backend. So this isn't even to get the same response. This is just, I'm guessing, gives you some sort of hash to see if there's a change. I guess that's important for other. What's tool choice? There's so much. What's tool choice? Okay, it's underscore choice. Controls. Let's look at that. Wait, this is the request body, yeah. So let me do tool choice, yeah. Controls if any function is called by the model. None means the model will not call a function. Instead, generates a message. Auto means the model can pick between generating a message or calling a function. Specifying a particular function forces the model to call the function. None is the default when no functions are present, and auto is the default when functions are present. Interesting, dude. Dude, I feel like you can do a lot with this, man. I know that's what everybody's saying, but I feel like nobody's taking advantage of this. This is an insane tool. This is an insane tool. Okay. So we are going to, let me add a thumbnail to my thing. because I believe it only has the dog, which is like an L thumbnail. It just loops. We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise the bar. Okay. So this gives me a chat completion model. Cool. Does it have some sort of stream? System fingerprint. Usage ID created. How do you actually send the thing? Create a chat completion stream. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Oh, so instead of create, you do create stream, and then it's the same. Okay. Create stream. Oh, so you don't await. Okay, so the await was, gotcha. Final. So this is going to be a stream of data. So why can't we do stream builder? Boom. And then we need to give it, there's no initial data. We'll give it a stream of that thing. But what we're doing is open it. We'll just like copy this. CIW, paste that. Perfect. Do stream. But it's just supposed to, yeah, so it's not async. You can just do this and just return this. Chat completion. And stream of that. Oh, is it a wait? Yeah, it's not. Let's do that. Perfect. And we can remove that. Huh. I want chat.listen. Yeah, of course. Now you get the object. I wonder though, is it just going to diff, or is it going to like build on top of the previous? I mean, there's only one way to find out. So let's just do text of snapshot.data, right? Exclamation point dot, and then it'll just be choices 0 dot index, the delta of, I don't know what that means. Oh, it's the increase, I'm guessing. Okay. Dot first dot delta dot content. Okay, like, okay, dot first dot text. That's a lot of, okay, so the content is going to be a list of messages. So we're gonna have to say like, for var message in this thing, give me a text of message. That's a lot. Okay, so let's hot restart the entire thing, and hopefully we should be getting a response here. Oh, let's go. Okay, that's super interesting. I guess the data was null. I guess the content was null. We'll just do this, I guess. I mean, we could just set state and add on top of it, but let's do this. We'll do hot restart. Okay, so it just gives you the delta. So you're gonna have to add on top of it. So we can say, just again, proof of concept, we'll have like something like string message equals to this. And so can't you just have like a stream listener then? Like, can't you, I'm sure you can, and you can sort of in the background listen to that stream and apply the updates to the state. Which you can do in the builder, I believe. So here you can just say like, you can just copy this literally, paste that there, add that, format it a little bit, and then you can just say set state message. Is it message? Oh yeah, okay. I'll just do M here. Message plus equals to M. And then of course this needs to be a function. Boom. And then here you just render, we'll just do text of M. Remove this, boom, and wait, what? Why is this list of, let's do this for a moment, m.text. We've come too far. To give up who we are. So let's raise the bar. Yeah, I'll just init state and add a stream listener. So do add override init state, and then you can yank that, paste that there. Don't return, but just do chat completion. You should create a, what is it, like there was a thing called stream subscription, right? Right. No, sub equals to chat completion dot, and again, what is this? This is a stream, so dot listen probably. Yeah, dot listen. So for each message or whatever, you can just do, and then you can copy this a little bit here. Yank that, paste that there. It's gonna be event. Well, honestly, just do this. Just do, if this thing is null, just return. Else we can do exclamation point. We can remove this, and then we can do this question mark empty string. Okay, perfect. And now we're going to add the stream subscription to the object sub. It's gonna be a late sub. We'll delete this, and then we'll do add override. And what was the opposite of init state? It's like D something. I forget. I do this all the time. I forgot the name. Sub dot. Like you do this text editing controller. Dispose. Boom. Dispose. And then here you'll do sub dot like delete, cancel. Perfect. And it's a function. Awesome. So we'll cancel our subscription there. And now we can just listen. We can just remove all the shenanigans and just take this little bit of this core utility here and just have that. Ooh, okay, we're gonna have to add that above there. We're gonna have to add this like here. And I think that, yeah, this should work. Should work absolutely fine. So let's do a hot restart. And now it's gonna work proper. I was expecting. Come on, dude. We've come too far to give up who we are. Print event detected. Is this thing even? Okay, it's okay. Hi, I'm just a computer program, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here to help you. Okay, awesome. Let me just ask it like, when was whatever, like Steve Jobs born? Question mark. Oops. Not restart. He was born on February 1955. Max tokens. So this is super cool. Now I think the main point here is we want it to be fast. We want it to be like super like snappy. We want it to feel like NeoVim, you know? Like, of course, it shouldn't have like a, you know, it shouldn't be as difficult to get into as Vim, but it should be like VS Code, I guess, because VS Code, you know, it's got a lot of shortcuts. If you actually, you know, if you pay, actually VS Code is actually a pretty good example. Because VS Code is super easy to use as a newcomer because it's sort of intuitive. But if you used VS Code for like 4 years or 5 years or whatever, you can really, you know, you can just change a few configs in the settings.json, and you could have like a pretty sort of fast, very keyboard centric experience, even in VS Code. Except the quick fixes, they never have a keyboard shortcut for that, which is so annoying. But other than that, you can have a pretty awesome experience with VS Code. So that's sort of what I want here. I want it to be usable for like just a regular person, but I also want it to be like super responsive for people, you know, for people who use ChatGPT like while working, because it's like the web app for ChatGPT is not the best. It's simple, gets the job done, but it's not the best. So I want to make like a pro tool, I guess, for ChatGPT, as Prime would say. So let's get it. I don't even know where to start. No, okay, we got a proof of concept. I don't even know where to begin. Like, we've come too far. Like if I just write a compelling essay. How big can it write? Oh, it doesn't even. Okay, the power of education. Key to success and for good reason. Furthermore, in addition, it's a conclusion. Okay. Let's try GPT-4. We've come too far to give up who we are. Whoa, we should ignore the g.dart files, right? Like it's like everything.g.dart should be ignored, right? Git add dot git ignore, git commit dash m ignore g.dart files. And so if I do git status, awesome. It's just going to be env and index. Wow, I did not expect that. I did not expect that there. Boom, we can hide it as well. That's perfect. So let's raise the bar. So yeah, let's hot restart that and see how much better of a writer GPT-4 is. I think GPT-4 is actually gonna be super slow, right? You're gonna have to do GPT-4 dot whatever. The power of empathy in a divided world. The world isn't divided. The need for empathy is never been more crucial. I don't know why I'm reading this. We're supposed to be building UIs. Okay. So what's like a basic? I don't even know how to design UIs. V0, my old friend. Dude, like literally zero creativity here. I'll log in. Okay, I'm gonna hide my login. I mean, I'm logging in, yeah. Ooh, login with passkey? Oh, that's so nice. Okay. Do I still have my credits? Yes, I do. Okay. So let's start with, I don't know. Like, what are we even, what's the problem with chat? Like, cause if we just do the basic thing, like what are the features we want? That's the most important thing, I believe. Do we have mousepad? Or do we have some basic text editor? Do we have Jedit? Or dude, text, what, oh, is it ed, ed, Z, I think it's Z. What, it used to be Z, Zedit. Whoa, what is this? Dude, Linux is wild, bro. Okay, this one was it. I don't know why it took forever to open. Z, dude, this is crazy. Just quit, please. So this is Z, okay. Honestly, let me just open a file in, let me just open a file in Vim, sheesh. So in documents / plans, we can do this inside of here, I guess. We'll just do like thinking.txt. Or actually, yeah, I'm just going to not open that, and I'm going to open that in Vim here. Thinking.txt, perfect. Set number, okay. Now, we need, let me exit this. What we need, for example, is, first off, I need to be able to switch between, like, you need to be able to switch between tabs easily, first off. Switch between GPTs easily. And quick search, like, and just do quick search chats and also live grep chats. Like, and when I say tabs, I mean like chats. I think that's a better way to put it. I need chats, I need GPTs, like and if I had to sort them by importance, it would be like so. It would be like so. This would be the sort of level of importance of each. And I think switch between chats easily, quick search chats, live web chats, and like the whole concept of GPTs, I think we're gonna have to basically like copy that. Like we're gonna have to have a local little like database thing that you can create your GPTs in and sort of just have your GPTs there. Because otherwise, I don't really see another way of going about this. Like, we could have a backend, whatever. We'll get to that when we get to that, if we get to that. But right now, let's focus on implementing GPTs. Because the whole point of GPTs would really just be like customizing. It would just be an initial prompt, right? Like I really doubt it would be that different. Like you just grab an initial prompt, slap it on top, and that's kind of it, I think. Like, yeah, so we just grab that, put it in the GPT, because this is a pre-prompt, so we can store that. We can we don't want to overwhelm the user, but of course we'll have like an advanced toggle for GPT 3 versus 4. We'll have an advanced toggle that can switch between the two. But I think this is like a good way, like, because yeah, and once you have GPTs, I think it would be super easy to sort of, that's like a very easy, that's theoretically like it's very easy to implement, but it's probably a little difficult to get right, to sort of so it feels snappy, etc. So let me go get some tea. Give me 2 seconds here. All right, listen, I think I'm gonna have to cut it short for today, but I'll be back streaming again. So yeah.